A good piece of furniture needs to fit the user's body and use. However, users cannot test their comfort or posture with online shopping or personal fabrication tools. In this paper, we explored how to support people designing personal products that fit their bodies and needs. Industrial designers have designed furniture suitable for a large percentage of people. But how do we make a desk that fits individuals? By combining healthy posture and body measurements, we defined ergonomic recommendations tailored for a single person. We defined various types of guidelines, like foot clearance, to determine the minimum desk depth, or arm length to determine the user's reach. The guidelines are interactively visualized in the system. They respond to real-time changes of the user's body. Like when the user leans forward, the guideline shows how much they bent their back. They also respond to design changes. For example, when the user makes the desk deeper, the reachable shelf depth guideline updates. Objects also affect the guidelines. For example, when the user lowers the seat height, the recommended height for the monitor and desk also changes. Then we develop the body-to-desk system in virtual reality. We scan the user's body to make virtual avatars and calculate body measurements. This way, users can both design and simulate use from a first-person view. Users adjust their desk with full body gestures and simple voice commands. The guidelines also interact with the user. The guidelines are situated. For example, when adjusting the desk depth, the reachable workspace envelope follows. With virtual props, users act and pose intended use while they are adjusting the desk for comfortable use. Grabbing objects activates relevant guidelines, such as the monitor, to suggest optimal height. But with a first-person perspective, it is hard for users to see their own body. Therefore, we visualize the body posture guidelines on a virtual avatar. Mini-Me copies the user's posture in real time, while recommended back, arm, and neck angles are visualized in place. By saying freeze, the user can step out of their frozen avatar to let them evaluate their design and posture. In a user study, we let users design a desk in the virtual workspace with interactive guidelines, and they created 6 unique desk designs. When they finished their design, we fabricated the desk to their specification and let them work on it for 4 hours. With Body to Desk, we set a first step towards fabrication tools for users that help them design with and for their bodies and use.